But yeah, need one of those combos.
His new car.
The wall chargers
Got a new car.
way fast.
What do you think of it?
It plugs right into
We're gonna unbox it, hopefully.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen.
Alright. Let's unbox it.
You just open it?
No, wait. I don't care too. Alright, the first look at it. It's kind of a nice jump cutting. There's this. Oh!
That's sick,
Bro, that looks awesome. Oh, the suspension is so good. Feel that. Manual. All that stuff, I guess. Here's the remote. Oh. There's the remote. Here, put all this back in the box, I guess. I don't know. That would make it better. Alright, you should take off the plastic. Let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see how clean the body is. This is the cleanest it will ever be. Let that sink in. The suspension. Oh gosh. Those are kind of hard tires.
All my friends will be like, hey, can I come over to your house?
They're gonna be like, hey, you want me to be your best friend?
Hey, you want to be best friends? Is it on? I'm gonna turn this on.
This little button right there. Oh, it's on. See if it works, ready.
Dude, let's go drive it.
Yeah. We have no idea how much it's charged. See the steering. Oh, that drifts so good. How easy is it to drive? Try and do a launch. Like just full send it. Oh, that thing is fast. That is fast. As we get it, it jumps. Oh.
Epic fail.
The bearings are so good on that. Do you see that? Yeah, here we go. Is it easy to drift it? Oh, that was the first flip. What the heck? Did you do a full throttle launch in the dirt? Oh, did you see how much it revved? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it worked. Oh, that was cool. Oh! Oh, it kind of flips a lot. You can hear it rubbing on the body. It's like... Okay, the thing is it fun? Yeah. Is it the fun factor? Just full throttle, send it down the street. Oh! Oh no! Okay, send it. Sure. We won't send it down here first. Oh. Yeah, it was tough. Weird. What was that noise?
Swerving off the